Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about three topics. Number one, online businesses and their working styles. Number two, 3M successful formula using by number of online experts to gain minimum $5,000 per month. Number three, how to create and update Amazon KDP account. So let's start. There are two types of online businesses. Number one, social media, and number two, non-social media. Social media includes YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Non-social media includes Amazon, ClickBank, web hosting, blogging, and freelances. These are the two types of online businesses. Number one, social media. Many private companies will run their advertisements through YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and many more online businesses. This social media gives us these ads to play in our YouTube channels and Facebook pages by giving small commission which are coming from these companies. So our earnings are in the hands of the companies, not on social media. Just imagine if all companies stop their ads with social media, what is about our earnings? Yes, it will be happen. Even it is happened 2 weeks before in case of Facebook. Some companies banned Facebook. It is also happened previously in case of YouTube also. Due to this reason, YouTube kept targets to monetize. These targets are minimum 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of running time. After that, we can get monetization for our YouTube channels. But here 4000 hours which are we are running time is free of cost. Means we will not get a single paisa also. After the completion of these 4000 hours, there are no guarantee views and we need to upload new contents of videos to monetize our channel. So it is very difficult to get a traffic even in social media also. Let's see the working style of non-social media businesses. These non-social media businesses, I take Amazon as an best example for these non-social media businesses. These non-social media businesses working style is from public to public. Here both seller as well as buyer are from public only. Even some companies will run their businesses through Amazon, but here investments is not only the companies but also the public. Public can gain more money through it by just creating a product. Here no company will involve in our investments or in our earnings. It is a very healthy business idea. Here we can earn from our first sale onwards. In YouTube, our earnings are only in United States of American dollars. Depending upon the country, our earnings will be vary. Even we will play a same time. Example, if a person from India uploads 5 minutes of time video in YouTube, the earnings which he gains will different from the person who done a same work in US. So the earnings will be vary from countries in social media. But in Amazon, there is a fixed commission and there is no difference between the earning person from countries to countries. Not only Amazon, many other parts also available to market our product. And in YouTube, there are very few promotional tools which are available for free of cost. But in Amazon, there are many promotional tools which can be free of cost. Even we didn't need to pay a single paisa to promote our product for free of cost. It is the difference between social media and non-social media. It is my view between non-social media as well as the social media. In some cases, non-social media business is better than when compared to social media business. Non-social media business is safe, secure and fixed profitables when compared to social media businesses. And here free promotional tools helps us to attract more traffic to our product. Social media business is totally depends upon company revenue, but non-social media is not depends upon any company's revenue. And social media can be banned at any time by the companies, but non-social media can't be banned by any organizations. When compared to social media, the traffic to the non-social media is very less. So we can't say what is big and what is less. So we can't say social media or non-social media is better. Both have the plus and minus points. In my business formula, we use both social media and as well as non-social media businesses as our keys to promote our product and to gain more money through online. I am not saying to stop social media businesses, but don't depend totally upon only social media or only on non-social media businesses. Keep running businesses in both the streams to get more money and more profits. Let's see how. How to achieve success in online business? My answer for it is just create your. So before going to it, just see how many types of products. Products are of two types. One, big product. Two, small product. Own product. Big product includes computers, laptops, machineries and so on. Small products includes books, pens, pen drives and another accessories which are easily handled by hands. Big products and small products can easily available through online, and customers throughout the world can reach you by single click. Then how to design a product and how the product should be. My answer is design a product which is more flexible and easily available in online as well as offline. This product should be available even in crisis and as well as in lockdown situations. Some will ask me, is any product is available which can reach customer to gain money? Yes. Just think once, which product can go directly to customer even at lockdown and corona crises? Is it computers or accessories or applicants or pets or even cell phones? Just think once. Yes, it is online books. Books are the products which can available through online and as well as offline. Books are the best online, safe, secure and profitable products which is flexible and available to customer by online as well as by courier. Even in corona and lockdown situations, people didn't stop reading books through online and watching movies. Many online professionals, even at these critical situations, earn more than $5,000 in online just publishing a books which people need. So, which type of books I need to publish and what formula I use to get success in these online businesses? Some will think writing a book is very difficult and we doesn't know content and we doesn't know how to write it and we doesn't know on what we need to write and how to publish it and how to promote it. Here we help you to get this all. Is any secret formula to gain more money through online by books? Yes, the formula is 3M successful formula in online businesses. This formula is not only for books, it is for every online product. It is the leading formula in online business. This formula is well working from long back to till now and it rules the online business forever. It turns beginners into experts. At present, its trend is running now. It will run up to centuries, no doubt it. The formula is M plus M plus M is equal to MM, more money. What is meant by M? First M is equal to money, second M is equal to medicine and third M is equal to meditation. These three streams are essential needs for human life. This can rule online businesses forever and ever. No doubt in it. So let's see one by one. Number 1, M1, money. Bitcoin, traffic to websites, YouTube channels, Facebook pages, search engine optimization, data entry works and freelancers. Many people are searching about these categories in Google search and as well as in Amazon book collections. Because online business is becoming very famous throughout the world. People need online businesses even in this corona and lockdown times. Many of people are lost their jobs and businesses and they are trying to search special path and specific path and correct path to earn more money through online. And another one is traffic. Here traffic means viewers and subscribers and visitors to our product. Books under these categories are becoming best selling and earns more profit. So you can write a book on money and then discuss about the M2, which is medicine. These medical books includes psychology, Ayurvedic, body fitness, beauty care and natural foods. Which say here psychology involves love, sex and romantic books searching by teenage and as well as adults from all over the world. Natural food is different from Ayurvedic remedies. People under some categories of women and old age people are searching about the natural foods and Ayurvedic remedy books. Body fitness and beauty care books are searching by people between 20 to 55 years age. So you can go by medical stream and you can publish many books on medical to earn more money and to gain more followers, and you can gain minimum $1,000 per month. And the M3 is meditation. Yoga, meditation, Vedas, magics, astrology, occult and witchcraft books have high demand in international markets. Black magic, white magic, mantras, tantras and yantra science of ancient Hindu Vedas. Hindu branded books in these categories has huge demand in international market. International readers believe this meditation science sector is originated from India. So books with the name of Hindu or Indian title has huge demand in Amazon sector. So you can get the books from these three streams to earn more money. Remaining books are sold by seasonally, but these 3M books are regular and it gets more sales when comparing to remaining sector books. I know many of you thinking about how can I get a content of the book and how to write a book and how many pages are need to write a book. See friends, there is no limit or there is no target to publish a book through Amazon or online paths. Even your book is 10 pages or 15 pages or 25 pages, don't bother about it. It can be sold. Even you doesn't have any idea about it, no problem. There is an institute called Amazing Authors Helping Hands. This Amazing Authors Helping Hands helps you more to get these 3 M's. And follow my upcoming videos to know more about this Amazing Authors Helping Hands. And now we will see how to create Amazon KDBC account and verify it. You can go to Google search and type Amazon KDP. Then you will get a link like Amazon KDP-amazon.com. Under this, sign into your KDP account, create a KDP account. So click this link. Then you will enter into a Amazon KDP homepage. Yes, this is the Amazon KDP homepage. To create an account in it, just go to sign up and click it. Then you can see here create your KDP account. Go through it. Then enter your details like your name, your email, your password, and then click create your KDP account. So then OTP will be sent to the email address which you provided in. click on create your Amazon account. That's it. Then click on agree. That's it. This is your home page, KDP home page. Now your account was created successfully. So see here, your account incomplete. See, your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you will need to complete this and update now. Okay, you can update a account by update now, or you can go with your account. I am going with update now. So click on update now. Then you will see this page, my account. Here in this account, you will see author information, how we will get paid, and our tax information. We need to complete these three before proceeding to business. So first of all, you should want to select your country, India, and then give your full details with your name. Your name should be as per the bank account. Come to getting paid tab. In here, we should update our bank details. So my account information is confirmed. See here, for a customer's transaction made in two marketplaces. See here, these all are our marketplaces. Upon all of this, only Amazon.com and Amazon.in money will be credited into account, your account, which you now do exactly what I was done here. So in tax information interview, give option what I given as. Give here as an individual, and then if you are US person, click here yes, or non-US, then you can click here no. Then are you acting as an intermediate agent, click here no. Then give your full name and your country and your address and click on done. After that, click here and give the first option. If your country is not providing any type of TIN number, click 1. So I am providing option number 1. Comes under give your full name. Then save and preview. So this is will be generated from the system. Then just click on submit form. That's it. Your account was validated successfully. Then click on exit interview. Now you can start publishing ebooks and paperback.